Page 17, the clock on the wall. They have a new term up there for speed. Allegretto? I thought you already knew it, but okay. I'll talk about that when I get to the speed. Let's look this over. It's 1 page long. Treble and bass clef. No sharps or flats in the key signature, so it's in the key of C major. Make sure you do the C major scale. You've heard this lecture before. Blah, blah, blah. Let's go on. 4/4 time signature, and there's quarter notes all over the place. Here we're using ledger lines. Now, again, I don't see anything more than 3 ledger lines. And I still suggest you go ahead and memorize the notes up to 3 ledger lines. Glance at it and you can see that there's 3 of them. When they start adding more than that, I get lost. I have to count them and I have to figure them out every time. But 3 of them I know, and I memorize the notes up to 3 ledger lines. Let's take it one hand at a time and check what we're doing here. They want you to start at the beginning with 3rd finger in the right hand. And then you got 3 beats rest to come up here. I suggest, because this is an octave between these two, C to C, go ahead and play the first one with thumb. And then here, you don't really have to move around. And then second line, you come back down, 2nd finger. And thumb again, because you're coming out here. So I'm going to use thumb on this each time I can, so I can feel this octave. The fingering of the book is fine if you'd rather do it, but this, I prefer this. No. And this is it. Okay. Left hand, oh, it's going nuts. See, they could have just put that in treble clef. You don't have to deal with the ledger lines, but I think part of the lesson is ledger lines. So they put it in bass clef. And you're here. So look at the notes. You have an E and a G and a C. So we're in this position. And all it is this broken chord. You look at it. Second line, it's an F and a G, but that's all we're doing in the left hand, just these, or this. Put the hands together, and the 3rd measure, you're here, here, and then here. Put these two together. Here, and then here. That's all it is. The last half of the song is pretty much the same as the first half, except for the very end. So you only have a couple lines you actually have to learn. Then once you have that, we add the articulation. These are staccatos. I'm going to flex at the wrist here, and they're short staccatos. All the way through. Short staccatos all the way through. Dynamics. You can do both hands here. It's MP is mezzo piano, which is sort of soft. Yeah, whatever you think sort of soft is. Not soft, it's just sort of soft. Allegretto, well, that's our new term. You have moderato and you have allegro. Allegretto's in the middle. I call allegretto the fun speed. That's just what I do. Because when I see a piece with allegretto mark, to me, I think, okay, this is going to be fun. This is a fun piece here. We're just having fun. And so it has to be accurate. Fast would be. And moderato in the middle. Well, this is in between there somewhere. You feel it. It's not a set value. It's a range. You have to feel where you think it should go. It's about where I've been playing it, I think. Somewhere in there, let's have fun with it. Make it yours. Remember the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel those as you're going through. Let's play it together slowly and double check all the notes and rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. There's not a lot to say on it, except good luck, I guess. I don't know. 1, 2, ready, go. rest, rest, 2, 3, 4, off.